Rusty pipe. We know your hair doodle like a rusty pipe. It's okay. Symone, you know your your hair like a peach.
Your hair look like an apple, so shut up talking.
And your hair like an apple.
Shut up.
Nah, you shut up. Oh, like that hurts. It doesn't hurt. So it doesn't hurt. Girl, you look like a light skinned version of E.T. Like a light skinned girl. You look like a light skinned.
You're trying to let the thing balance and slow down.
You look like a light skinned version of a squirrel. You look like a light skinned version of a squirrel. Oh my God! Look at that.
He lost 60.
Oh my God! Light skinned version of a squirrel. No.
He had missed that, but that was okay. He got the whole second win.
You look like a bean. Your hair is shaped like a bean. Oh my God! The bean on alert. Oh, the bean.